I applied to McGill Desautels graduate certificate in healthcare management to help me better manage my department as well as the hospital in which I work, and to improve the quality of care that is delivered in our hospital. This course gives clinicians tools necessary to start small and bigger scale quality improvement projects. It's a strategy that allows people to bring solutions from the ground up. The mentorship goes beyond the academic teachings in the program because it provides you with direct feedback with regards to the changes you want to implement in the hospital.
What we try to emphasize is that this is just the first step in the journey of a healthcare leader, and we want them to be able to connect and reflect on their challenges as they move on to their career.
I've learned to approach problems in the hospital in a more systematic fashion. It also allowed me to articulate the vision that I have of what healthcare should truly be. And now I'm hosting our very first workshop at the Montreal Neurological Hospital. It allows me to present those ideas in a more structured manner to the executive committee in the hospital, as well as key stakeholders, to be able to get them to become active participants in those projects that I'm trying to implement in the hospital.